Okay, another day, another engine. It's a bit windier, so we're sort of staying in this semi-sheltered bit around all the vehicles. And I hope that we don't get too much wind noise, but I think we're not going to be able to answer today. It's very windy. So what we have in front of us today is the Kohler engine. This is the only Kohler engine I've ever had. It's a cast iron line, 4 horsepower, coupled to an Alcon water pump. I bought this engine actually just by chance, to be honest. I booked in to go to a show and take some engines, set an alarm that night, and when I woke up the alarm hadn't gone off. So I didn't get any engines in the car before I went to the show, and I just went down there. I didn't expect to actually be let in, but they still let me in even though I had no engines. And right opposite where me and Matthew and Men had set up for the day was a guy selling this Kohler engine, and he said it hadn't actually been run for years, and we got it there and we fired it up, and it actually started first pull and ran all day absolutely fine, and yeah, we've had it ever since. The carburetor float bowl has just flooded, like most of these engines that have been sitting for a while with old floats. The float chambers seem to be sticking quite a bit. So let's knock her off and choke. We've had to cobble up this exhaust system here because the old exhaust had completely rotted away, in a bid to try and quieten it down, should it actually start, but we'll see. I haven't got a very long pull rope. This pulley wheel here is quite long. That's running pretty sweet. About that. That started fine. We have put some water in the water pump just to keep it dry. We're supposed to not run them dry apparently, so we have put some water in the pump. It has smoked a bit out of the exhaust because that exhaust has been on the main tank for years. That's running really sweet. Steady as a rock. We'll have to see when this engine last run. There you go, it looks like the Kohler last run in July of 2014 at one of the old crank ups we did. So that's not bad, 6 years. Didn't have to do anything to it really, I just replaced the exhaust. It would have run without it. I didn't do anything else to it really, other than just tap the float bowl just then to get the old float chamber to unstick. It's running really sweet. I think I'll just let that run until it runs out of petrol.